At the Unity College XR Innovation Lab, we help you use XR technology to connect, to train, to prototype, and to reimagine. Incorporating extended reality into your business will provide a competitive advantage from concept to execution. Equipment purchase and setup will help you find the right solution. Bring your training to life with engaging 3D virtual reality and extended reality learning. Give your place-bound students and clients an immersive experience with content that sticks. We have been in the business of asking questions and solving problems for over 50 years. The world around us has changed, but our mission remains the same. We solve the problems of today and anticipate the challenges of tomorrow.